Social proof. With the social proof functionality, Idron will help your store become a sales machine and trigger fear of missing out effect in your customers, the sense of urgency. Other people's behavior has a huge impact on our decisions, especially in situations of uncertainty. So see how to influence your customer's decision and set up social proof. To get started, log into your Idron workspace and go to section On-site Social Proof. On the home page, you will see a list of social proof widgets you created earlier. On each widgets tab, you will see the purpose, the unique widget name, the time range the widget is displayed, and the current status. To create a new widget, click the plus button. In step 1, you will specify the basic settings. Enter a name for the widget that will only be used for identification purposes and will not be visible to the customers. Specify the message language and the goal you want to achieve. By choosing Promote, you will increase the attractiveness of your products by showing their popularity. With Inform, you will inform customers about current promotions, their duration, and the availability of discount codes. And with Influence, you will engage your customers by showing information about how many pieces of the product are left. In step 2, Adjust, you select the parameters for your chosen goal. For the Promote goal, you can choose from 3 types of notifications. For example, you can display a widget showing the number of customers viewing the product over a time period of your choosing. For example, last 24 hours, last week, last month. For example, you can display a widget showing the number of people who have added the product to their basket, also within a selected period of time, as well as a widget showing the number of people who have bought the product. For the Inform objective, you can also choose one of 3 types of notifications. You can display a static discount code, a discount code with a countdown timer, and a countdown timer with a possibility of placing a URL address, after clicking which you will be redirected to a page with promoted products. In the case of both options with a countdown, the end time shall be determined in step 4. For the Influence goal, you can choose between 2 types of notifications. You can display a widget with a message, "Hurry up, last pieces left," or "Hurry, this offer is limited time." In step 3, Display, you will determine the position of your widget on computer screens and mobile devices. Choose the position separately for desktop and mobile devices. Typically, our customers prefer the top right corner on desktop and the top of the screen for mobile. In step 4, Rules, set where your social proof widget will be displayed. Depending on the purpose you selected earlier, you can display the widget on every page, on product pages, by rules based on URLs. You can display the widget only on the selected address, not display on the indicated address, display on address containing the selected string, or not display on address containing the selected string. You can also display on addresses that match the character pattern, for example, color.url_is. In the time settings section, you can set the delay for displaying the widget, and if you want the notification to disappear by itself, add an option to automatically close after a selected time. In the Schedule section, you can select Display Now option, and your widget will be published and will work indefinitely. Alternatively, the Display in Selected Period option will cause your widget to be published according to the time frame you choose and taking into account your workspace time zone. You are almost done. Just save your widget and click Preview to view how it will look on your store. In order for the social proof widget to appear on your store page, you need to click the Publish button. Now you are ready to use your social proof functionality. We wish you good luck! You will find the social proof section in the Reports in the On-site tab. You'll be able to monitor the number of active and inactive social proof widgets on the site, views and clicks of the widgets over a specific time period that you can set in the top right corner of the page, CTR and closures of social proof widgets. The navigation bar is displayed at the top of this section. It allows you to directly navigate to the on-site item of interest. That's all for today. However, if you would have any questions, feel free to email us at hello@idron.me or use our FAQ.